Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, awfully mild out there. It's like somebody flipped the switch. Temperatures back pushing near 80 degrees, and we have several of those ahead, but we're not done with 30s at night and not done with 40s and 50s during the day, at least not in the 10-day forecast. March coming in like a chilly lion. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the outside and our drone shot. And this has been the story today. This is what's going to be over the next several days. A fair bit of stratiform cloud cover. A few breaks in those clouds. When the sun comes out, boy, it's warm. But still, we managed to get into the mid-70s. Here we go on the rise, and there's a little bit of a shower there. Again, when it becomes obscured like that and it's hard to see, that's a shower right there. So we had a few showers around and about, and as mentioned, a few patches of blue sky as well. Gotta love the drone cam. Here's the big picture as we look at the upper level pattern. Slow moving large storm system is going to be producing winter weather here. It's energizing the subtropical jet stream, so showers, storms, and a wintry mix eventually to the north of us, and we're kind of under the influence of this high pressure down in the Gulf of Mexico, so slightly drier air here, but we did have a few showers across the region. Big picture across the lower 48, we see snow flying in the western states, showers back toward Texas, a little bit of a disturbance pushing showers and some rumbles of thunder over toward Atlanta and Georgia as well. Here, the winter, look at all these winter storm watches and winter storm warnings from SoCal. Winter storm warnings all the way down to the Mexican border, all across the nation's intermountain west, and then you get up to the Midwest, even some blizzard warnings thrown in for good measure. And there's going to be some active thunderstorms through tonight off to the north and west of us, and going into tomorrow. There is actually a low-end severe weather risk for portions of Mississippi and Tennessee. The usual spots once again. Might see a storm here or there over the next couple of days, but mostly shower activity on tap for Acadiana. And that's pretty much what we've saw today during the course of the day today. Few spotty showers running across the region, and as we dial into all our Doppler radars here, we see that shower activity is generally moving from the west-southwest to the east-northeast. So we do have a few showers in Jeff Davis Parish, Acadia Parish, northern Lafayette into St. Landry, and then out into the basin. So a few spotty showers. This is about a 30% type of day, and we'll have much the same in the days ahead. So here's the graph model here, and I've thrown on the temperatures because I want to show you how this is going to turn out. Temperatures near 70 through daybreak tomorrow. Now, this is precipitation type. It overdoes the precipitation. Show a few passing showers possible, but I'm showing you precipitation type so you can see the winter weather that's going to be coming in to our north and west. So tomorrow, a few spotty showers, temperatures mid to upper 70s, near 80 for a high for most of Louisiana. Then that front slowly oozing southward as we get toward Wednesday morning. We'll be in the upper 60s, but you get up toward the I-20 corridor, mid 40s, and here's freezing rain and sleet as you get into Texas and into Oklahoma. It's going to be a mess up there. This front takes more than just Wednesday to get here. Look at this. Lower 80s Wednesday afternoon, Baton Rouge. Upper 30s as you get into Shreveport, and wind chills here will be in the 20s, and winter weather won't be too far away. The graph model a little bit more aggressive with the front, trying to push it on through at least the I-10 corridor come Thursday morning, but half of Acadiana will still be mild. The northern half are going to be in the 40s and 50s, so it's going to be one of those situations where we'll just have to watch that front very closely. It's going to be a kind of a forecast we'll bust on probably temperature-wise for one period this coming week. Upper 60s, we know that for sure. Overnight tonight, tomorrow, back into the upper 70s to near 80. You'll see that colder air sagging southward. It's not hard to pick out the front here. So we start out Wednesday in the upper 60s. We top out near 80 once again. But as you get farther to the north, Alexandria in the 60s, Natchitoches in the 50s, and Shreveport in the 40s. And as we mentioned, even colder as we get toward Thursday morning for the northwestern part of the state. Winds staying up overnight tonight, so we do have sea fog offshore, but because it stays breezy, that shouldn't be much of an issue visibility-wise, but low clouds and low visibility near the coast offshore. If you got crew changeover or you're expecting to grab a chopper, that might get delayed, so keep that in mind. So mostly cloudy and mild, sweaty pavement and windows time. Once again, as that humidity's up and the ground is still chilled from the previous several outbreaks of cooler air, so that happens, and I hate hate the sweaty pavement thing. Why? I wiped out on my bike 2 weeks ago on it, so I just wanted to let you know. Brief shower or two tomorrow. Temperatures touching the upper 70s for a high near 80 Wednesday, Thursday. Again, some rain chances. They'll peak, it looks like Thursday night. Sharply cooler with showers ending early Friday. The weekend cool, but not looking as cool as it was, but still have some slight rain chances, perhaps for Bonaparte. We'll just have to wait and see on that. We'll get a better feel for that in the next day or two. And then Mardi Gras, we're talking highs in the 50s and a morning start. You know, if you're going on a career out of Eunice, you might see frosty conditions come Mardi Gras morning. Not the kind of forecast we would like starting off the month of March, but, and you know, 80s will be just days away.
Right.
Right
Absolutely.
after Mardi Gras starts. Right.
All righty. Well, thank you, Rob.